Alrighty, guys. Without getting this license plate, I want everybody to take a look at this Jeep. This look like a what? Gladiator, right? Okay. I can see the symbol right there, and you can see who likely added all the accessories to it, right? Look at that. That is a beauty, right? But yeah, this is not the surprising thing. Anybody out there want to take a guess at what engine is under the hood of this? Look at the lift kit, guys. Oh, awesome, right? Beautiful. Look at the step. Oh, all of that's beautiful, right? We got to get to the engine. I want somebody to first take a guess at what size engine do y'all think is in this beautiful, used to be typical normal Gladiator, but ever since they got a hold to it. All right, suspense is killing y'all. Let's go on up here. All right. First of all, look at the lift kit now. Pay attention to that. That is beautiful, right? Let's go on up here, guys. We finna head under the hood. What I want y'all to see, now I'm about to dramatize this. All right, let me put some dramatization music going right here. Y'all ready? Here go the music. All right, guys, so I'm headed to the showroom floor. Let's take a look.
All right, John SP, is there a TSB on a 2017 Pacifica with issues of hardship from a total start and over 30 miles per hour? Not so much. I'm gonna say this, John. There's a lot of TSB relating to flashing the TCM. Pacifica, most all Pacifica. 2017 is when the Pacifica showed up. All right, so there's a gazillion TSBs on the 2017. First year of production of anything, guys, that's their guinea pig year. All right, they're using that to analyze the situation for the future. Okay, so all the mistakes they made in 2017, they implemented the repairs or the updates in the 2018. And so forth and so on to the 2019 to the 2020. So the 2020 models have every update that was involved in 17, 18, 19. Unfortunately, 2017, like I say, was the first year it came out. So my friend, I guarantee you there's a gazillion TSBs relating to flashing the TCM. A 9-speed, which is in your Pacifica, 9-speed ZF 948 TE transmission, has its own TCM. That's not a DIY thing, guys. If you don't have, in fact, I'm gonna have to do a video on what's DIY and what's not, because I don't want. Some people think I don't want to take it to the dealer. Hey, dude, you got a 2020 model car. I'm doing it myself, but you can't read nothing. I don't care. I'll figure it out. Some things are just simply not DIY, guys. Now, that's not a monopoly thing with a dealer or you coming to us no matter what. It's not that. It's the tools that's required, okay? Like, I couldn't even be a DIY guy on the outside if I didn't have my scan tool. So what's the difference? The access to the software and the scan tools and things like that. So, yeah, that makes a difference. That makes a point. But, yes, all 2017 updates on everything. If you ain't been to the dealer in a while and they plug their computer up to your car, you're gonna have lightning bolts. Tom, am I lying, Tom? 2108 That's one right there. Tom done pulled up one. It came out March 21. All kinds of updates on the 2017. Simply because that's the first year of production the Pacifica came out. Yes, my friend John SP, enjoy your Pacifica, man. Your van equipped with the Gen 3 Pentastar, no ticking, no oil leaking from the adapter housing engine. I gotta be careful saying that because I have yet to do one. But no, I did one. It was because of the oil pressure sensor. Guy that wrote it up didn't want to just go back there just do the sensor, so he went, and he wasn't there, and I ended up doing it. But I haven't done no tickers on a Pacific, on a Gen 3, anything. If it has any bands in it, make sure no more bands. Look at Dark 69 Dark, man. Where have you been? The last time I seen a band was a 3-speed transmission on your Neon, on cars like that, on the Neon. The Dodge Neon used to be equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Look how times have changed, guys. Freaking 3-speed automatic. You done. You done. So if you're going 80 miles per hour in a freaking Neon with a 3-speed transmission, your RPM likely 3,000. You better slow down before you throw a rod, player. Wait a minute. You can't be doing high RPM with a low speed transmission. That's the last time I seen a band. Dark 69 Dark, man. If it has any bands, make sure they are just, yeah, man. And I was around, we would just overhaul those. I remember the strategy. What time at? Tighten that damn boat up, torque it, and bag off 3 turns. I remember how we used to adjust them bands. Them days long gone, player. Yes, I don't even know what my band adjusting tool at.